Is your Chrysler 300 key fob not working reliably? A weak battery is the likely culprit. This video provides a step-by-step guide to replacing the battery in 2011-2023 Chrysler 300 key fobs, saving you time and money compared to dealership service. This is a simple DIY task that most owners can complete in under 10 minutes. Chrysler 300 key fobs come in two main styles. The push-button style was used from 2011 to 2017. The flip-style design appeared in 2018 through 2023 models. Both fob types use a CR2032 3-volt lithium coin cell battery. Knowing your fob type helps locate the opening seam correctly. SRT models from 2020 to 2023 may have a slightly different ergonomic design, but the battery replacement process remains the same. To replace your Chrysler 300 key fob battery, gather these essential tools and materials. First, you'll need a replacement CR232 battery, ensuring it's exactly 3 volts for proper function. Consider eco-friendly lithium-ion CR2032 options, which are rechargeable and reduce waste. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool to open the fob without scratching it. Optionally, use tweezers for safely handling the battery. A multimeter can optionally test the new battery's voltage, which should be above 2.8 volts for reliability. Begin by ensuring the vehicle is turned off and the keys are removed from the ignition to prevent accidental locking. Next, locate the seam on the side or back of the key fob. This is where the two halves of the casing meet. For flip-style fobs common in 2018-2023 models, first open the key blade compartment. Now gently pry open the casing using a small screwdriver or plastic pry tool. Work along the seam carefully. Important, avoid excessive force to prevent cracking the casing or damaging internal components. Once the fob is open, carefully pop out the old battery. Note the polarity with the positive side up before removal. Insert the new battery, ensuring the correct orientation with positive side up. Tweezers can help with handling the battery. Avoid touching the battery terminals with your bare fingers to prevent damage. Now that the new battery is installed, snap the two halves of the key fob casing back together firmly until they click into place. Make sure the casing is securely closed to protect the internal components. Next, test all the key fob functions by standing within 5 feet of your vehicle. Press the lock button, unlock button, trunk release, and panic button to ensure everything works correctly. If your key fob includes a valet key, make sure it's properly slid back into its compartment before closing the casing. If the key fob doesn't respond, double-check that the battery is inserted with the correct orientation, positive side up as shown in the image. Try the tests again, and if problems continue, consult your Chrysler dealership. If the fob still doesn't work after replacing the battery, ensure the battery is new and has sufficient voltage. Double-check the battery polarity. Avoid forcing the casing open or closed. For 2023 models with advanced security, pairing may require a dealership visit if the fob fails post-replacement, though this is rare. Safety is important when handling key fobs. Wear gloves to prevent fingerprints or static electricity that could damage the electronics. Dispose of the old battery responsibly at a recycling center or auto shop to follow environmental guidelines. Consider using rechargeable CR232 batteries as an eco-friendly alternative that reduces waste and lasts longer. Future trends in automotive technology point towards keyless entry via smartphones, but for current Chrysler 300 owners, DIY battery replacement remains a cost-effective and reliable solution. This concludes our guide on replacing your Chrysler 300 key fob battery. Stay safe and maintain your vehicle properly.